Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy St. Patty's Day. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking onto this video, and please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. All right guys, it is finally that day. I'm announcing the winner of our giant Jeffree Star Cosmetics giveaway. As you guys know, whenever Jeffree has a launch of his own or mystery boxes, we like to do a mystery box filled with Jeffree Star Cosmetics for one lucky winner, and that winner has been chosen. Now, to find out if the winner is you, please wait till the very end of the video after we unbox all of these goodies. And yeah, guys, without any further ado, let's jump right into it. Okay, I'd like to preface this video by saying I think this has to be one of the best boxes we've ever done. It's so freaking amazing, and I can't wait to show you guys everything in here. So let's start with the little things first. So I call the little things lip stuff. So first, we have two velour liquid lipsticks in some of my favorite shades in my opinion. We have Celebrity Skin as well as Unicorn Blood. I absolutely love these. You are going to love using them. Celebrity Skin is such a beautiful neutral. It goes with absolutely every type of look in terms of eye looks. And Unicorn Blood is such a staple deep red. I look so beautiful, or at least I feel like I look so beautiful when I wear it, and I absolutely love it, and you're going to love it too. The next items in the box are BAM, two the glosses. We have shade Pretzel, Drip, as well as Wet Peach. These are absolutely stunning. I don't need to go into detail about these guys. You know how great the gloss formula is. Smells like creme brulee heaven, and these are a sparkly dream. We got two velour liquid lips so far, two glosses. Things are looking bomb.com, but we're not even close to done yet, so let's keep going. The next item in the box, boom, a brand new Velvet Trap. I'm not sure if you guys have tried this formula yet, but it is absolutely freaking amazing. It's my favorite out of all the lip formulas Jeffree Star Cosmetics has to offer. This is in the shade Dominatrix, which is an absolute staple of mine. If you're more curious about the formulas of the Velvet Trap, I did a whole dedicated video. I will link that up here in case you missed it, but congrats to the winner. You're adding this to your collection. I hope you enjoy the formula as much as I do, because you're going to want to be grabbing a bunch of them. And for the last item in the lip category, we have a velour lip scrub. Of course, how could I not include one of these? They're absolutely amazing. This is in the strawberry gum flavor. I love these. As you know, they're completely edible, and it's really hard not to eat them because they're so sugary and delicious. This one smells like heaven on earth. If you're a fan of strawberry, you're going to love this. These are so good for these dry winter lips I've been going through. Love, love, love this lip scrub, guys. There's a lot of different lip scrubs on the market, but this one is freaking amazing. All right, let's move on to the next category. That's gonna be face stuff. So we have BAM, a Supreme Frost. This is in the stunning shade Frozen Peach. I don't know if you're familiar with the Supreme Frost formula. It's very, very sparkly. So if you're into a sparkly highlight, you're going to love this. For me personally, I like using these on my eyes as eyeshadow toppers. They look absolutely breathtaking. They really, really capture that light in a different way, and you are going to love this. And the last face item, BAM, we have a Magic Star Translucent Setting Powder. If you have not tried this formula yet, you have to, guys. It is such an amazing setting powder. I have not used anything since getting this. I only dip in with my Magic Star. This particular one is not the luminous one. I love the luminous one for all over the face, but if you're an oily person and you don't necessarily like that luminous look, this translucent, wow, it really does the job. If you like to do baking, you will never have anything brighter than this. It really gives that effect, and I absolutely love it. It smells like cotton candy. Yum. All right, let's move on to the next items. Now, I call these the biggies. So of course, how could I have a Blood Sugar Anniversary Collection giveaway without including the Blood Sugar palette? This is of course in the brand new white packaging. It's absolutely stunning. It's completely evident that the colors display so much nicer in this white palette. I'm obsessed. This is front and center on my display. I love it, and I hope you're gonna love it too. Do not shy away from using it just because it's white. This is one of the best neutral palettes in my collection. It was the first Jeffree Star Cosmetics palette I ever purchased, and it's still one of my absolute favorites. Now that it's revamped in this white packaging, I literally can't get enough. Congratulations to the winner. You're going to love this so much. I hope you don't already own Blood Sugar, but even if you do, having it in white, freaking amazing. All right, guys, I don't know if you're ready for this. I truly don't think you are, but the next item that the giveaway winner is going to win, BAM, a whole Blood Sugar liquid lipstick vault. I don't know if you've had a look at this, but it is absolutely amazing, any collector's dream. It's so stunning. I'm so happy for the winner. I'm so happy I could give one of these to you. You are going to use the crap out of it. Even if you're not a red lip lover, give it a chance because it is stunning. Oh, the new colors in here, guys, let's just hope that they come out as singles because they are so breathtaking. I have not been able to stop using them. Congratulations to the winner. You are also winning a Blood Sugar Liquid Lipstick Vault. Now we could stop this giveaway right here. That is honestly all of that stuff already, out of this world, unparalleled. Have never seen a giveaway like it, but you already know there's more. We have the cremated palette. So congrats to the winner. Not only are you winning the Blood Sugar Anniversary Collection palette, you're also winning cremated. This is such a unique, beautiful cool tone color story. It's any cool tone lover's dream. Congratulations to the winner, but we're not done yet. There's one final item, and that is, of course, how could I do a giveaway? I will never do a giveaway without including one of these, and that is a bomb hand mirror. If you haven't used the star hand mirrors yet, they're freaking amazing. They're so useful, and I'm obsessed. All right, now that we know all those goodies in our mystery box, time to reveal the winner, and that is, drum roll, bam. I'm gonna throw her name up here. Thank you so much for your continued support. It means the absolute world to me. You have no idea. Every comment, every like, thank you so much for your support. And guys, if you didn't win this time around, do not be discouraged. As you can tell, I always do giveaways here on this channel. Jeffree actually just announced that the mascara that has been really long awaited, called, I don't want to say the name because it's kind of a bad word, but it is finally dropping. He's doing the reveal on Friday, so definitely stay tuned, and possibly we might be doing another giveaway because every time Jeffree has a launch, you know I love spoiling you guys, so please don't be discouraged. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please, if you haven't already, give this video a like. Leave me a comment down below. What did you think of the content of this giveaway? Did I blow you guys away like I thought we would? I'm honestly so happy for the winner, and I can't wait to do more of these. If you want me to do more, please give this video a like. Again, leave a comment, and of course, don't forget to subscribe. It really helps me out when you guys subscribe, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye, guys! Congrats to the winner! Thank you.